Alright guys, how's it going? We got a new Victorinox knife here. This one's the Evoke Wood, and there's the numbers there. Quite a nice presentation box. There you go, that's how they come. Just take the knife out. And you get a little booklet in here on the Evoke. The Evoke, I've got the wood one obviously, but also comes in the inox, which is the aluminum handle. So there's some stuff about it. Has a removable thumb stud, so there you go. So here we are, and there's the wood handle here, wood scales, and it's Swiss walnut. That's it, Swiss walnut. And you see the logo here, and that is cut into the wood ever so slightly. I don't know if you can see the edges of the wood there. You can sure feel it. Looks pretty nice, and the wood is nice and smooth. It's got a good finish on it. And there we've got the right hand clip, and it is tip up. And you can't put the clip on the left, it's only right hand only. The clip is removable. If you put that onto a workbench, tap the top, it'll pop the clip right on out. But I'm leaving the clip on. I love the clip on these knives. One of the best clips I've ever used on a pocket knife. Wonderful clips. And stainless steel as well. And there you go, we've got Swiss made there on the blade. And on this side, Victorinox. And the inox, that stands for stainless steel, which their blades are a mix of stainless steel and carbon. It's got a high percentage carbon in the Victorinox blades. And the steel is called martinistic steel, which is a blend of stainless steel and a good percentage of carbon steel in there, which gives it its hardness and will take a really nice edge, but also stain resistant as in the stainless steel. So it's a good mix. And of course this is a lockback knife, so depress the lock to unlock the blade, and it closes beautifully there. Let's listen to the lockup. Very nice lockup, and that lockup is solid. There's no movement up and down, left or right. But there's a nice grind on this drop point blade, and we've got the notches in the handle, the finger grooves, which feel awesome to me. To me, those finger grooves just perfect. Last two fingers here, and these two here, just wrap around. You got a solid grip on that. And this part here, it's almost like a finger guard, but that saves your fingers from sliding down the blade if you ever to punch into something. And it is a very pokey blade there, very pokey, and just a really good all-rounder. Victorinox lists this as an EDC or like a trekker's knife. It's a very similar blade to their Hunter. Let's have a look at the blade thickness. It seems slightly thinner than the normal standard 3mm that we see everywhere. I'm reading that it just a shade under 3mm. Let's take a look at some dimensions on this. So it's almost a 4-inch blade there, and we got about 9 inches overall. It's really large knife. Let's take a look at the weight. Alright, we're coming in at 5.4, ounces. It's listed at 5.3. Oh, there you go, 5.3 that way. Like I say, it is a large knife, but if you're used to carrying a buck 110, it would be a pleasant surprise, because you've got a nice big blade there, and this is a fair bit lighter than a buck 110. For me, Victorinox, the quality is awesome. I have quite a few Victorinox knives. I've never had a bad one. I've never had any bad fit or finish, and they always come screaming sharp out of the factory. And this one was a gift to me from my son and his better half. They were out traveling Europe, going all over the place, and they found themselves in Switzerland. And I asked him to send me a knife, and he went to the Victorinox store, the main Victorinox store where they're made, and he picked me out this one. So I'm really pleased with it. The style is right up my alley. I love my lockbacks. I didn't know what kind of knife he was going to pick me. He could have picked me anything, but he got me the Evoke Wood, and I'm really happy with it. And these right now on Victorinox.com are going for about $140. There is some here on Amazon, and I'll put links down below, and they're about $120. There you go, guys, quick look at this. You can take a lanyard on here. I really like that bit built into the back spine there, because you've got a little thing you can give it a little tap on, I don't know, a nutcracker. Let's say that, a nutcracker. And if you spin the knife around in your hand, finger grooves that way, it gives you a different angle on the nutcracker, and it feels secure in the hand either way. Really secure, these finger grooves. Really work good. Yeah, it's a good all-rounder. I like it a lot. Alright, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you've got one. And let me know what you're carrying. What's your favourite carriers these days. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you later.